You bloody idiot! I thought I was going to hit the front of the car then.
Fun. This is what award-winning customer service sounds like from real Octopus Energy calls.
You've been brilliant. You've all been brilliant. There's no one in the world I would change my supplier. You know, it's what electricity companies should do. Did you hear that?
Octopus Energy, outstanding service at fair prices. Greatest Hits Radio.
Film it, quick, film it, film it. What's he trying to do? Trying to get off? He's trying to get off. He's getting on, he's got off. Oh my god. Someone else? No. Oh, get that on camera. No way. No. Is it in a white? Is it a white van? Yeah, he just crashed into two people. What? He's fucked up. Oh, he's just crashed into three people. I've got it fully on video.
Got video?
Everything.
Please wait, I need to...
Is that your car? Yeah. Mate, where is the geezer? Is he fucked off?
He ran away.
Yeah, he must, yeah.
I'm gonna call the police.
Yeah, I've got it all on video for you, mate.
Yeah, he hit me, ran away. I don't know. That way?
Yeah, he crashed into three cars.
3 cars?
Yes, I swear to that one there. Look up there.
Oh.
And he crashed into. We got it completely.
The wrong person is wrong then as well.
Oh, he's fucked up here.
Yeah.
Oh, he's fucked.
If you back up just a wee bit more, you'll have a bit more space.
Wait for that car to come.
You'll have to, because I've got one.
worries. Registration, Mike 14, uniform whiskey. We've been sat at a junction, vehicle seen us and sped off instantly. Had no time for preemptive tactics. Road conditions dry, weather fine. Traffic light, pedestrians light. Speed 40 in a 30. Low risk at this time. Just approaching the ring road. Stand by. Could I request all TPAC units, dog and MPAS, and please can I have authority to continue, maybe? Hold off, pull off. Yes, we're off the ring road onto Hertford Road. Speed 50 in a 30. Risk assessment remains the same. Heading out of Huntingdon at the moment, sort of towards the area of Hertford. Speed 60 in a 40. Just performing an overtake, medium risk. At this time I deem it proportionate to continue. The driver is in full and proper control of the vehicle. Mine's there. Go through there, yeah. Left, Desborough Road. It was through a red ATS, however, I could see that there was no traffic whatsoever. It's back down to low risk as we go left on Mayfield Road. Speed 40 in a 30. Safe to continue. Got a hazards on as we approach California. It's a left, and it's 755 by the way, collar 11 driving and collar 1513 pursuit commander. We are continuing on California Road, heavy braking, Byron close, prepare for decamp, Byron close.